Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this video is all about the UGC NET Environmental Science 2021 paper review and analysis. We will do for both paper 1 and paper 2. We'll know what was the difficulty level, what are the future plans, how to calculate the cutoff. So all these things we'll know in this video because this is one of the most expected video from you all. So first of all, I would like to thank all the Jacklit members, those who have contributed their reviews, because this video is made because of all your reviews. So it is not that I went for the exam, all these things are because of your contribution. So thanks to each one of you. So without much delay, let's get started. So first thing is expectation hurt. Yes, very less to zero questions were asked from the frequent to ask questions which we expected to come. That is from the water pollution, EIA, environmental law, noise pollution, atmospheric stability, population ecology. So these things were the expectation that questions will be from here, but they were very less or about zero. But the thing is, Jacklit practice questions also came in the examination. For example, wind energy efficiency, tidal energy, flax species, total organic carbon, that numerical which we have to multiply by 1.72, ginkgo and latimeria which we have already discussed, they are the living fossils. That question came. Biomedical waste color came. UV range causing the cancer, elements from the crust, etc. So many questions were asked from the Jacklit practiced question. But the thing is, if you want to know what were the questions so that you will be able to know what will be the answer, you can comment me. I will make a separate video that what were the questions and what will be the answers. But most importantly, mostly the questions were like arrange. Yes, it was not like entertainment. It was only arrange and match the following. That was the headache of most of the students. Yes, I can understand that will be headache, but let's move and know some of the more facts. So coming to the paper 1, yes, the general paper 1, the idea was that time management was the key. Yes, those who have managed the time well in this paper, as I have already told you, to manage the time, they were very successful and they have done well. So DI was bit tricky. Yes, data interpretation was not that much easy. As I have told, 1 to 2 questions from the DI will be tricky. So what you have to do, if it is not coming, you have to skip. Those who have skipped those questions, they have well managed the time. Coming to the next part, ICT, higher education, the portions were easy. Teaching and research section was also easy. Comprehension was also easy. And logical reasoning and communication section was also of easy level. But the thing is, people and environment, that was mostly based on the paper 2 level, that is the environmental science level. That was not from the paper 1 level, that is the basic things. So these were some of the reviews for the paper 1. And now the time is what we will say about the difficulty level of the paper 1. Yes, was it hard or easy? So I will tell you that it will come in the region of easy. Yes, it was easy level paper 1 from the comments which I have received from the students. If you manage the time well, if you skip the questions which were necessary for the skipping, then it was easy to moderate level, you can say that. Now coming to the major part, that is the paper 2 environmental science. So as we knew that in paper 1 time management was the key, so for paper 2 concept was the key. So those students who were very much focused and were having the concept clear, they did this paper very well. Unit 1 fundamental of environmental science, questions were easy but few questions were asked. Similarly, environmental chemistry, they were the questions based on the 12th class chemistry basics and analytical chemistry also. Coming to the environmental biology, direct questions were asked, conceptual are also asked, and environmental geoscience were having more weightage. So there were certain match the following which people have only heard the term for the first time in the exam. That was also a bit of moderate or difficult level. Coming to the unit 5, energy and environment, only 3 to 4 questions were asked which we were expecting more. Environmental pollution, always it was more, but this time it gave us disheartenment, only 3 to 4 questions. Solid and hazardous waste management, it was easy and conceptual type. Unit 8 from the EIA, the most heartbreaking one, few questions but were also conceptual. Statistics portion, mostly having the correlation and regression type of questions. Stats question are also of standard level. And unit 10 questions were some of the example, Project Elephant, Nobel Prize winner, hydropower, these things were there. And most importantly, less numericals as compared to previous years. Yes, numericals were less, that's why those who have practiced more numericals, it is beneficial for them, but the thing is they were comparatively less than the previous year's paper. So now coming to the difficulty level of the paper 2, it was neither easy, it was nor hard. Yes, some of the questions were hard, that means out of the thinking level, but they were few only. So I will rate this as per the review got from you all. It will be easy to moderate level. So I'm not telling that it was very easy or very hard, it was easy to moderate level. So now the most awaited thing, that is the cutoff. So now talking about the cutoff percentage. What will be the cutoff? We can predict, yes, to a certain extent we can predict, but after looking into the response sheet, we need a complete paper of all the questions so that we can say what will be the cutoff. So the websites or videos which are telling that 45, 60, so these are completely fake. We cannot decide the cutoff based on the review. We have to get at least the response sheet to know what will be the cutoff, so to predict only. Next thing is, also the difficulty level will tell what will be the cutoff, whether it will increase, whether it will decrease, and the number of students appeared. This is also a vital thing. If more students have appeared, the thing is seats will be also increased. Yes, 6% rule will increase if the number of students appeared are more. And next thing is, last 5 years trend I will tell you, no need to worry. So the thing is, last 5 years trend, it has been seen the cutoff is somewhat increasing every time. But again I am telling you, we have to look into the response sheet, and when this response sheet will be out, it will be out as per my prediction within 2 weeks. Yes, maximum 2 weeks it will take, and you will get your response sheet. And if you want that I will analyze the response sheet and I will publish the cutoff percentage expectation, so I'll do that. You can comment me again. Next, coming to the most important thing, the future plans or the takeaway. Yes, future plans after this exam is that pray until the results are announced. That's the most important power, the weapon with us. Next thing is, prepare for the next exams. So I've mentioned exams, that means prepare for the next UGC NET exam, prepare for the GATE exam if you're planning to give, or pollution control examination. So these things you should start preparing from few days after the exam, because you should take also relaxation, then you can start the preparation and work more harder. So why I'm telling is that gone are those days for the direct questions. So nowadays it is conceptual question. So usually in past papers it used to ask the direct questions which will be having one word answer, but nowadays it is conceptual, so that you have to work more harder. I would end this video with the quote that greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. Yes, you have to do, and nobody will come, no YouTube channel, no an academy. You have to do on your own. Yes, we can just guide you, we can just show you some of the path so that you can lead to your success. But yes, at the end, wait till the results are announced. So JACLET is always there for you. Keep smiling, because it will lead to believe in yourself, and believing in yourself will lead to reach your goal.